Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. Welcome back to the channel. In this particular video, we'll be speaking on an article in the Jamaica Gleaner. I don't know how many of you would have seen it, but just bringing it to your attention, an article where Heimir Hallgrimsson defends his position as it relates to Whisper's inclusion in the Gold Cup squad. Now, you know that big enough, a sizable enough section of the Reggae Boyz fan base has been critical of Heimir Hallgrimsson's decision to include the young, hot prospect Dujuan Whisper Richards in his Gold Cup squad. Some thinking that he's not ready, some thinking that there are better players out there that should have made the team over him based on merit. Seeing, for me personally, you guys know my position on the matter already. One, I don't think it is a good look for players proven only at the amateur level to be making Jamaica's national team. And I also think that on merit, there are one and two others out there who would have qualified ahead of Whisper. But with that being said, I am happy for young Whisper, right? He is a really good talent, and I'm happy that he's getting this opportunity. It's a big opportunity for him and can only help him and aid him in his development. All right, so we're going to read the article for you guys right now quickly. Reason to Whisper. Hallgrimsson defends Dujuan Richards' choice. And by the way, what a lot of Reggae Boyz fans was also saying as well is that Ravel never made it because he doesn't have a profession. Well, he doesn't have a club because he's not playing club football now, even though he does have a club, but he's not included. He's not playing for the club basically at this time. But Whisper doesn't have a club. He doesn't have a professional club. He's not playing professional football at the moment, and he's in. So people have said the gaffer contradict himself. Anyways, let's go. Reggae Boyz coach Heimir Hallgrimsson said his reasons for including Dujuan Whisper Richards in his 23-man squad for the Gold Cup are his age and potential. During the boys' post-match press conference after their 2-1 defeat to Jordan, Hallgrimsson named the squad for the Gold Cup but had to face questions about why Richards was selected ahead of JPL top scorers Colin Anderson and Trevante Stewart. By the way, guys, the article is on your screen. Anderson and Stewart are actively playing with their clubs, while Richards, who has a pre-contract with Chelsea Football Club, highest level of competition has been schoolboy football, which has been on a break. However, Hallgrimsson pointed out that Richards has the potential to be one of Jamaica's greatest ever players and believes he can gain valuable experience being part of the tournament, being part of a tournament of this magnitude. This I definitely don't disagree with. I agree with that paragraph 100%. I think we all agree that he has weapons in his armory that are way beyond a 17-year-old. So he could be, and I'm saying because you never know with a 17, 18, 19-year-old where their career will go. But at this stage, we believe this kid can go all the way and be one of the best players for Jamaica in the future. But we have to see where the future will take him and what decisions he will make and how he will use the opportunities he is getting now, he said. So we think it is good. And when you have a squad for a tournament where there are going to be a few players that will not have a lot of playing time, we would rather have those players young so they can gain experience. And he is one of these guys. So basically he's saying Whisper is not going to get a lot of playing time. That's basically what he's saying. Not a lot of playing time in this Gold Cup, right? And it goes on to speak on his international debut. Richards, who made his international debut against Trinidad and Tobago in March, has 4 caps with the national team, has showed that he has numerous qualities that can make him a real impact player, said Hallgrimsson. He showed against Jordan, and this is Hallgrimsson being quoted again, he showed against Jordan that he can be a good impact player. He's unpredictable. He can go with the left. He can go with the right. He is good in the dribble. He is fast. So he can be really good impact player for us. But for us, it is to work with him for the future's sake, because hopefully he will be one of Jamaica's greatest in the future, said the coach. He also had to justify the selection of the young player ahead of experienced midfielder Ravel Morrison, who is also without a club. He is a young player, so you never know, and this is Hallgrimsson being quoted again. But the reason for picking him are his qualities. I expect the question on Ravel and Dujuan. The difference is, of course, the age, he declared. He pointed out that they have had Ravel in squads he has named, and he has played in all matches until the Austria tour. He noted Morrison was not playing for DC United when they played Mexico at the end of March, and that he used the 2 games against Trinidad to help him get some playing time. This is Hallgrimsson being quoted again. We told him it would be difficult to pick him for the Gold Cup squad if he wasn't playing regular football. I had a good talk with him weeks ago, as just for professional reasons, he deserves to know that he was not going to be selected, and he was appreciative that we did that. Hopefully, he will find a good club and he will start playing again, and we will pick him for the next camp that we will do. So that's basically Heimir Hallgrimsson speaking on the Dujuan Whisper Richards inclusion, despite not being a professional footballer, and the exclusion of a Ravel Morrison, stating the difference and stating how he's not basically contradicting himself where both players are concerned. Remember, he stated that Ravel did not make the squad because he's not playing enough, right? I mean, he wasn't playing any football when we played in the last FIFA window against Mexico. But if remember, Ravel started in that game. So, but the gaffer knows what he's doing. It is his head that is on the chopping block scene. So, ladies and gentlemen, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know what you think about the gaffer's words on Dujuan Whisper Richards. By the way, this article is from Livingston Scott in the Jamaica Gleaner. Seeing? Knock up the likes button, subscribe, and share. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe, and until next time.